luggage. You gotta keep this short, Marge. You gotta cut this short, okay? I'm working out, Marge, because summer is coming. What the fuck, America? I mean, how appropriate is that at this point, Marge? Anyway, gotta take these. I think you know what these are, Marge? Diet pills, Marge. You're not gonna believe Dexatrim. I said, Alexa, order me Dexatrim, and that bitch finds Dexatrim, Marge. I mean, it's really a marvel of science, Marge. Oh, what's it say, Marge? Berlin, Marge. Yeah, because I am protesting Spicer, Marge, for what he said yesterday. I mean, Holocaust centers, Marge. I mean, what the hell is a goddamn Holocaust center, Marge? What do you say? Oh, Frank. Hey, it's me, Marge's friend. I gonna be running late today because I was working background on Bull. I gotta pick a few things up at the Holocaust center, Marge. I mean, this guy's out of his goddamn mind. He keeps screwing the pooch every day, Marge. How do I look, Marge? How do I look? Ooh, I think I'm gonna bounce some pennies off of that, Marge. Anyway, I hope you do. Oh, Marge, what does this remind you of, this outfit, Marge? Remember JoBeth Williams? Remember JoBeth? Oh my God, those are kicking in, Marge. Those pills are kicking in. Remember JoBeth Williams in Poltergeist, Marge? Yes, the last scene, Marge, where she's like, "Don't touch my babies!" And she runs up in the hallway, Marge, and the hallway gets long, and she's trying to get to her babies, and she picks up speed, she's like, "Ah!" Marge, that's what this reminds me of, Marge. That's what this reminds me of. Anyway, I love you, Marge, but I can't really talk long, Marge. I gotta go. I'm gonna see you on the beach in a couple of weeks, okay, baby? I love you.